Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Technique Thursday. Guess what we're going to do today? Today we're playing with the new Coffee and Jesus stickers. Have you seen these? They were up in the shop on Tuesday for $2 a sheet. I just thought they were so cute. And the other day we had a little bit of a panic because I was trying to plan the page for the video, and I had this one and this one. And I said to Margaret, oh my gosh, I don't have any elements that don't have word art with them. So then came number 3. So sometimes you'll see on videos that my sheets may look a little bit different because I still haven't arranged the elements. I do test prints. And so this one doesn't have the title on it, but it's number 3. So it's just fun little elements. All 3 you can find in the shop. So today, I'm going to use a mixture of them, so I'll just put them to the side. And all I did is pull out a few colors of gelatos, and I wanted kind of like a coffee background. So I have a brown. This is a really old one where they didn't even have names on them yet. And then this one is called Iced Rose, and this one is Aqua Dolce. So let's just grab a baby wipe. I'm just going to grab the gelato, and I don't know where my tile is because I was going to put it on my tile, but I guess you know what, I could put it right here on the sheet, on my little Tim Holtz sheet. Okay, maybe we'll just try putting a little bit on here, smearing it around. That's getting really light. Let's try maybe the chocolate. Ooh, that's gonna be pretty. Should have maybe done it with just wet fingers maybe. Yeah, I think that's gonna work better than the baby wipe. So all I'm doing is just, maybe I'll just move this over so you can see this page. This is really shiny, and that's because of my light in my studio. So I apologize. And I did prep two coats of clear gesso. I used the Art Basics. There will be a link below. So, okay. So just moving this around with my fingers because we want a nice, there we go, a nice kind of just blended look. I want it to kind of look dirty like coffee, but not quite. So maybe some rose down here. I like this rose color. Kind of looks like coffee and cream, and I know the page doesn't look like much right now, but trust me, it will. Just want to do a little bit of this. And as I do this, I'm shaking the camera and crazy. So you know what Hubs and I have been up to? Let me tell you. Hubs and I have been up to looking at berries on our land. So we have a little over 4 acres here on our little farm, as we call it. And so every day we find some kind of new thing. And the other day my husband found choke cherries. Now I don't know if any of you have choke cherries where you live, but you can make syrup or jams or jellies. They're like a really bitter berry. And so we are very busy picking berries. So I found a syrup recipe, and hubby says the other night, these are supposed to taste delectable on pancakes. So we're going to try pancakes with our syrup. So I have to make it. I have my berries sitting, actually they're sitting on my desk right now. Kind of funny. So yeah, we are going to try that. And we have what they're called here Saskatoon berries that grow wild. And again, they're kind of like a sour berry. They almost look like a blueberry to me. They're really yummy. So when we moved in, our neighbors all were so sweet. They are bringing us like Saskatoon crisps and Saskatoon bumbles and buckles, and oh my gosh, they're so good. So we are looking at all the beautiful berries that are here for us to enjoy and see what we can, live off the land a little bit. So too much fun. We're having lots of fun. So I'll let you know how the syrup turns out. There, that one. So there, we just have kind of like a marbly, pinky brown background. Nothing too crazy, because I want to use lots of stickers today. So let's see. Today for this, I picked Proverbs 11:25, which says, "The generous will prosper, those who refresh others will themselves be refreshed." So I totally believe that we need to encourage other people, not so that we, get something in return, but so that we just encourage them to grow. And by watching them grow in their faith, we also will grow in ours. So it's just leading a Christ-centered life and being able to motivate and encourage and inspire others. And I just think it's a beautiful thing. So I have printed my stuff on white sticker paper. Now, I did a little experiment because I ordered a new kind of white sticker paper and I really like it. And I'm going to check the price to see how much cheaper it is. And then I'll put it down below in the description. I also did my journaling. I wanted to add some journaling, and I did that on some clear sticker paper. So I'm just going to pop that under my Coffee Jesus Repeat. That's me every day, coffee and Jesus. And most of you know that I have essential tremors, so I don't write a lot by hand. So I am using my clear sticker paper to do my journaling. And I just want to add some good fun elements here. And where's all these coffee cups I wanted? I wanted this coffee cup, I think. Oh, and I think this little red one with beans, I decided. I'm making this last. Oh, and I like this green one too. Whoops. A little bit of the sticker paper didn't come off. This is really sticky. And of course I have to put all the stickers on at once, right? Of course. So we have our here and maybe here. I just wanted to make like a little collage of cups and goodies, and let's see what else we can use. Oh, I wanted this too. I wanted this one. I love this. His mercies are new every morning. Isn't that so true? And every day is a new day. Jesus lets us have a new day, another chance to live and to, like I said, to go out there and inspire people and just be with others. And it's just so, like in our group, in Praise and Pray, we are all together and we inspire each other and encourage each other. And in turn, we all end up growing together. On the art side of things, I'm kind of jumping back and forth. These are just some of the stickers, just alphabet stickers, and I put them on this sheet. I just cut them out, and I'm just going to put a great big refresh, because I truly believe what I wrote here is I truly believe that we need not only refresh our spirits, but we must encourage those around us. By refreshing others, we too will be refreshed. And I'm really liking working in my Bible, and we have a challenge coming up. I need to move these all over. I'm not going to have enough room. This is what I like, is that if you do prep your page and you end up having to move things, you can. Let's see. Do you think we can move all of this? Do you think it's all going to come off? I should have put the refresh on first, right? Look at this. This is the true test of being planning, and things not working out. And even though I kind of planned this one ahead, it still didn't work out quite right. I need to move this a little bit down. So let's put refresh down first, and then we will move on. So yeah, some fun stickers, and we are going to, Nikki's working on some elements for our gratitude thankful challenge. We don't have all the details worked out yet, but we do know it's going to be 30 days, and we're going to have lots of really cute elements and such to work with. I think I'm going to make a little book for myself or something to do, sort of like what we did for Lent when I did, we had 40 days of Lent. And so I figure, why not do 30 days? It was kind of the most popular vote, I would guess, is what I'm thinking here. We love to do polls in our group, and our poll said most people wanted 30 days, so that's what we're going with. And for those of us that want to do, Canadian and American Thanksgiving, we can work on both of them, right? So much fun. All right, now where's my tag? I also took this into my program, and I did my typing right on the tab. So I'm working with that, and I will put another one on the back. And then if you want to do some more coloring or we need some kind of fun elements. And I took I also printed these on clear so that some of these big coffee stains were on clear, because I kind of like to have those on top of things. So we're going to just use a few of those, and then I think our page will be complete. Not a long one, but a fun one, right? So I hope you guys are enjoying these stickers, and I hope you're all having like a really awesome day. And I'm going to come see everybody in Praise and Pray. So I think, I don't know, I might fuss with this a little bit more, but just wanted to stop in, say hi to everybody, get ready for our thankful challenge, pick up some coffee stickers, go visit the shop, and I will see you all in Praise and Pray. So have an awesome day, everyone. God bless. Bye-bye.